Hello everyone. I welcome you all for the lecture series videos of digital manufacturing. So in the previous series of digital manufacturing lecture series video, we discussed about various 3D printing machines are commercially available for creating a prototype and some of the important machines we already discussed in the previous video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the various formats used in the digital manufacturing units to create a prototype. So among that, today we are going to discuss about the Object Quadra System. So Object Quadra System is the type of systems used in the digital manufacturing process where we can create a prototype with this model. So let us have a detailed discussion on Object Quadra System. So in the Object Quadra System, we are going to discuss about core components used in the system. It is nothing but it is the fundamental building block of the system. And next we are going to discuss about the various interactions for the systems that is related with the dynamic response of the system and what are all the elements in the systems we are going to discuss and the benefits of the systems, of course, in terms of advantages. So today's topic for our discussion is introduction to the Object Quadra system, then core concept and the system architecture. So let us explore what is Object Quadra system. So here you can able to see the Quadra machine. Uh, it is a fusion deposition modeling based machine. It is used to create a model of any system. Here we are going to discuss here. So this machine is operates based on the software available with the system. So this is the conceptual model framework for we are going to organize and manage the data in the process by using object-oriented programming principle. So what is Quadra object system? So let us empathize. See the foundations of the object Quadra object-oriented design is divided into four category. So first is the abstraction, where we are simplifying the complex systems and into a smaller finite element, and we are going to uh, uh, add the conditions for the individual finite element. Then encapsulation, so it is nothing but a building a data to protect the object integrity for the system. And inheritance, so this is nothing but to create a new classes based on the existing ones for the code reuse and recreate purpose. And polymorphism, so this is treating an object, for instance, of their parent class to make the system into a more flexible for any operation. So let us define, so what is data management? So it is data management is the management system which is which is responsible for storing and retrieving the data for different applications, and it interacts with the database that is already in the system, which is used to deal the files and other data for storing and retrieval purposes. So object in this layer represent the entities of provided for the various methods for assessing and manipulating and underlying the data. So initially we are having a data storage at the bottom. It is used to store and retrieve the data, the database management system, and data entities are there where we can store in the respective positions with the help of address, specifying the address. And data access systems, once it is stored in the particular address, if you need to specify with the address, you can get the data. And what are all the benefits of the system? So we can have a modularity, so we can easily develop and test with the any object with this system. And reusability, we can reuse in terms of code duplication and different parts of the systems also can be reused. And maintainability, it is easy to maintain the data since it is in the form of soft copy. And scalability, we can scale into any level, like 3 times or 4 times magnification and reduction can be possible. Flexibility is also it is an important parameter. We can adapt into any real world conditions, and real world modeling is also possible with this system. So let us summarize the activity. Rapid prototyping, it is also called a generative manufacturing process. We can have a basic core concept and definitions. Under this generative manufacturing process, we can have a data storage and retrieval systems. So let us have an assessment. So what is the architectural principle of Quadra object system? So the answer for this, it is the option 2, event driven design reactive applications. So in this system, mostly event based system. And the second is the in the object quadra system, what typically triggers the application to react. So the options are manual user command only, schedule time intervals, signals events, internals and external sources, predefined static rules. The answer is option 3, signals events from internal and external sources, because the application of the system is designed to respond various signals and to respond various OS. These are all the references for my presentation. So I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.